frustrated with your drawings not turning out the way you want? You are not alone. Whether you're a beginner or having been at it for a while, it's easy sometimes to get stuck and feel like your work isn't improving. But don't give up just yet. Often there are a few common mistakes that hold people back for creating the art that they envisioned. Here are 5 reasons why your drawings suck and how to fix them. Welcome to Art Community, and let's jump into today's video together. Number 1, passion. Lack of genuine passion. If you aren't truly passionate about drawing or creating art in general, your work might lack energy, emotion, or purpose. Drawing without passion can feel empty or mechanical, which affects the final outcome. Passion is basically the driving force behind any creative endeavor. When you are truly passionate about your art, it fuels your motivation, creativity, and willingness to persist, even when things get tough. Without passion, your work can feel flat, lifeless, or uninspired because you are not emotionally invested in what you are creating, or let's say you don't love what you are doing. When art becomes a task, that means you are forcing yourself rather than doing something that really excites you. The lack of enthusiasm shows in the final drawing. Lack of passion can also lead to burnout, where the art of creating feels like a chore rather than expression of your imagination or emotions. So this is what you have to do to find the passion you have for your drawing. Try to reconnect with what inspired you to start creating. Try to find subjects, mediums, or techniques that excite you and give you a deeper meaning. Passion fuels creativity, helping you to push through challenges and improve. So passion is very, very important as a creative person or an artist. So you need to have a reason or your why for doing art or drawing. The second point is practice. Inconsistent practice. If you don't practice regularly, your progress will stall and your abilities won't develop. Inconsistent practice leads to lack of refinement in your drawing techniques. Drawing requires regular practice to develop and maintain. Without consistent or insufficient practice, your artistic abilities remain stagnant, and you will miss out on opportunities to refine your drawing techniques, explore new ideas, and push the boundaries of your creativity. Inconsistent practice can lead to slow or uneven progress, and over time, you may feel frustrated because your drawing skills aren't developing as fast as you would like. It is easy to expect improvement without putting in the necessary hours, but without practice, even natural talent can only get you so far. This is how to fix inconsistent practice. Establish a consistent practice routine. Set small achievable goals and dedicate time each day or week to work on specific skills. The more you practice, the more natural and skilled your art will become. Third point is fear of exploration or sticking to your comfort zones. I've been a victim of this. I remember a few years back, I was good at sketching, but when it comes to the shading aspect, I was really, really bad. And I didn't want to shade because I felt in love with the sketches that I was doing at that time. So I was scared I'm going to destroy all my good sketches. And I quite remember I woke up one day and said to myself that I'm going to learn shading. Okay. I remember I did the first shading and I was really, really angry because it didn't turn out the way I wanted. But I said, no, I have to learn this. This is the time for me to make mistakes and improve upon them. And I can tell you that since that time, now I can say that I've improved. Okay. So, try to explore. Try to take on personal projects that will increase your creativity. Okay. Take on challenging projects, things that scares you, but you want to learn how to do. Okay. So, step out of your comfort zone Experiment with new mediums, techniques, or art styles. Even if they feel uncomfortable at first attempts, don't give up, okay? Exploration helps you discover new strengths and keeps your creativity fresh. Number 4, fear of criticism, especially in relation to drawing. It's a common experience many artists face. This fear can stem from various factors such as vulnerability, self-doubt, perfectionism, or past negative experiences. Criticism of your drawing or art can feel personal because drawing often represents a deeply emotional or creative part of yourself. Overcoming this fear, or at least managing it, is essential to growing as an artist and to maintain your well-being. Here are some insights and ways to address it. Shift your mindset from seeing criticism as something negative to viewing it as something or an opportunity for growth. Constructive feedback can help you improve and refine your drawing or craft. Try to separate your self-worth from people criticizing your drawing because it is not a reflection of your value as a person. The fear of criticism can be worrying, but learning to accept and grow from it is the key to evolving as an artist. With time, you can develop a healthier relationship with feedback, where it becomes a tool for growth rather than a source of fear. Keep creating even when it is uncomfortable, and you will build resilience along the way. Number 5, patience. Lack of patience with your artistic journey. Not being patient with your artistic journey is a natural feeling, but it can be managed with the right mindset. By focusing on the process, setting realistic goals, embracing imperfection, and practicing self-compassion, you can cultivate patience and enjoy the richness of the artistic path. Art is a lifelong endeavor, and each stage of the journey offers valuable lessons and experiences. Expecting immediate results can lead to frustration and burnout. If you are impatient with your progress, you might rush your work, abandon projects, or lose motivation. Art takes time to develop, and rushing can cause you to miss key learning opportunities. This is how to fix it. Cultivate patience. Accept that improvement takes time and that each piece, even if imperfect, brings you one step closer to mastery. Focus on enjoying the process rather than obsessing over quick results. So these are my 5 reasons why your drawings suck and how to fix them. I hope this video helps you on your art journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys hopefully in the next one. Peace.